One of the most commonly asked questions that we get from our customers on the online bidding process is, how do I count my windows? Well, it's important that you count the panes and not just the window opening itself. What do we mean by that? Well, a pane is defined as any piece of glass that has a frame around it. So in the example shown, you will see that there are two panes in this one window. There is the fixed pane and there's the pane of glass that slides left and right. So this counts as two. Another way that we help our customers is to ask this question. Some have found this helpful. If your neighbor's kid was to be very angry with you because you did not buy any of her school fundraiser cookies, and she was to throw a rock through every piece of glass in your house, how many rocks would she have to throw to break every piece? Now, this is a purely hypothetical question because we know she doesn't have that good of aim, and we also know that you're one of the best neighbors ever and you always buy a wheelbarrow full of cookies from her every year.